We gotta hear some ringtones.
Pretty cool. I like that one actually. Can I have that for my current phone that's on silent and I never hear it? Oh! What? What? Okay. Come around, ringtone, no spaces. What the? It just sounds like a meme song. Now, I remember hearing that one. Oh. Oh, what a track. Wow. Quick, someone get famous with it. Oh. Don't worry, honey, I'll crunk with you. There's some really dank ringtones in here. Oh, here we go. Mrs. Frankie smelling really rank.
Honestly, those ringtones are pretty baller.